Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys a review on the brand new Nike Flyknit Oreos. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so first thoughts on the shoe is the colorway. So as you guys can see, it starts out all black in the back area. Then the Flyknit gradually starts to get white here around here. Then it gets flooded with white mixed with black Flyknit. And it's just an amazing concept and colorway. It truly does look like an Oreo, especially right here with the Nike swoosh. It gives that little nice Oreo feel with that black, white, black. It's just amazing. This shoe is probably, in my opinion, the best Flyknit trainer that has come out in recent memory. I would honestly put this over the YeKnit. That was overhyped because Kanye wore it. This honestly is a much better shoe in my opinion. I got these from my local Villa. They got 10 pairs and I was able to get 2 pairs. So extremely limited and hard to get. One of the best colorways of the Flyknit trainer. A super comfortable shoe. I would honestly rank this par to par with the Ultra Boost. It's just Nike's most comfortable shoe in my opinion. But then again, I've not tried out the new React technology in the new Nike React runners, so I'm gonna bring you guys a review on that soon. But yeah, nothing really else to say. The bottoms, they have that. I think they have the Nike Plus bottom, so you can connect it to your phone to track your steps. But other than that, nothing really else to say about the shoe. It's a Flyknit trainer. It's a dope colorway. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.